Hi guys, so you're going to be solving for the loop current using mesh analysis for this particular circuit. First, I want to understand is KVL because KVL that they use to get the mesh equations. So KVL just basically says the sum of current rise, that's things like battery, and plus current drops, which is when voltage goes across a resistor, is equals to zero. So I'm going to be representing voltage in this case as V equals to IR, Ohm's law. Now in this case, let's start with our mesh loop 1. You can already see they're already giving us the loop current. So in mesh loop 1, the current is coming like this, right? Let's just be sure of the direction. When it comes here, what's the first sign it's going to see? Minus 36. I like to use the sign I see first. I don't know, some people like to use the one after. I don't know why. Plus, the current will drop across here. That'll be plus 2I1 plus, for this particular 12, current to drop across it, but you see, it's caught in between two mesh currents. So it's going to be I1 minus I2. If we're in mesh 2, it should be I2 minus I1. So it just depends on where you are. Plus this particular one. I always just get confused when I see the resistor here, but it's just like normal. So just be 4I1 equals 0. Now, if you want to simplify this, you're just going to get that it's equals to 18I1 minus 12I2 equals to 36. It's going to be first equation. Now for your mesh 2, you're simply just going to go around. Now in this case, the circuit is still going like this. So when you come here, here will be plus, here will be minus, because voltage still drops across the resistor, no matter where it is. So it's going to be 12. It's in between two meshes, but we are currently in mesh 2, so I2 minus I1. The next one is plus 9I2. What's the first symbol you see here? Plus 24 plus 3, because current still drop across it, plus 3I2 equals to 0. Now simply simplify this, you're going to get minus 12I1 plus 24I2 equals to minus 24. Now this is obviously a simultaneous equation. I'm sure you can solve it. If you solve it, you get that I1 is equals to 2A, 2 amps, and I2 is equals to 0 amps. This is your final answer. Thank you for listening.